beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. And if you've never been here before, then I would like to extend a big welcome to you. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for returning. And in today's video, I am really excited for today's video. I am going to finally be doing a review for you and a look using the Kaleidos Club Nebula palette. This palette has been curated by one of my favorite YouTube creators, Angelica Nyqvist, and I hope, Angelica, that I am not butchering your name. Angelica is a wonderful creator here on YouTube. If you do not know her, please do go over and subscribe to her. I watch her channel religiously. She is such an inspiration to us all. She is, like myself, a lover of colorful makeup, indie brand makeup, and she just is a beautiful person on the inside, seems to be, and on the outside as well. And I say that because she's in a YouTube group that I have been a part of, and she just replies to you on that group so readily. Congratulations to you, Angelica, on your collab with Kaleidos, and who better to pick one because I really feel like that she has a great eye for color and for putting color together, but also she has supported Kaleidos from the jump, from the very first thing that Kaleidos ever put out. She actually owns the Deep Sea Luster palette, which is kind of an enigma palette. It's one of those things that you just cannot find. If you own it, it is a very rare beauty find to find in the beauty world. It's just one of those things that is absolute killer product to own. Beautiful piece of beauty makeup product. Performs very well, and if you own it, it is rare to have that, and she does own that. Go over and check out her videos using the Deep Sea Luster palette from Kaleidos if you want to see a beautiful piece of makeup product in use, a beautiful makeup palette in use. The packaging is absolute stellar on this. It does come in this beautiful blue packaging. You open it up, it has somewhat of a magnetic closure right here. It is in fact a magnetic closure. Every time you get something from Kaleidos, the packaging is stellar. So whenever I ordered mine, I did take the opportunity, because this is coming all the way from China, so it does take a while to get to you. So I did take the opportunity to go ahead and order another piece of their products that I did not have yet that I wanted, and that was the Space Age Prophecy highlighter. I do have most of their highlighters, the Space Age highlighters. I want to think I have all of them, and this was one that I did not have that they recently had come out with that I wanted to take the opportunity to pick up. So this highlighter is absolutely gorgeous, especially whenever you consider the shift that it has. It's very stunning. And once you put it on, it's a pretty blinding highlight. The shift is absolutely incredible. I love a pinky shifting highlight, and I'm just, this is kind of a peachy green, pinky. It's just absolutely wonderful. It's a multi-chrome champagne highlighter with a supernatural green and fuchsia shift. That right there is right up my alley. I'm just gonna go in with my Goss Artisan brush, and yeah, we'll just kind of see how that's doing. Yeah, I am over 50, and yeah, I just don't care. Yeah, I just love to have a blingin' highlight, and but I'm loving that. Oh, it is so pretty. Yeah. Oh, wow. So I hope that you can see the bling. The palette is in here like this, It does come with a beautiful Club Nebula invitation. A lot of times releases come with these type of cards, and I usually pin them over here with like a little postcard of all of my little things that I've gotten, and I just keep up with these. And then the palette itself looks like this. It is in the shape and size of the Escape Pod palette that came out last year, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it is just absolutely gorgeous. It is so beautiful, and it says her name right here. It's just beautiful. I am sure that she had a lot to do with the design of this. On the back it says the Club Nebula palette is a collection of my favorite shades for my favorite people, Angelica. I am so honored to own something created by Angelica because I just adore her. So this is the palette. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. I am just enthralled with this. Let's get some swatches of the shades. This is Firefly, 7 of 9, Gravity, Queen of Blades, and you know Angelica is really big into sci-fi, if you don't know. So this is the first 4 shades. Void, You're My Only Hope, Naru, Astro, a little bit of fallout there, Rock Hopper, Cylon, oh, this one is so pretty, Celestial, Nova, and the last 3 I'm going to put up here, and that's Samus, Nebula, and Red Giant. Let me get a little bit more of Nebula, because this is a really pretty color. So there they are. All of the shades. Wow, it is such a beautiful, beautiful palette. And I'm so excited to have this. I do have all of the Kaleidos except the Deep Sea Luster palette. So yeah, I do not have that one, but I have all of the others. So, and it does have really good pigmentation. This is one swipe after a makeup wipe. Okay, let's get started with the look. I've got my eyes primed with the Kaleidos Tone Activator Primer, like usual. And we're going to get started with going into the shade that is a light taupey color, just a really good neutral shade. And that is the shade called Naru. Into the shade called Gravity, which is the lime green color, and I'm just going to put that down in the actual crease. Oh wow, what a great shade, because it's really holding the tonal value. That's sometimes hard to do with these type of chartreuse shades because it's a yellow base shade. Going in with 7 of 9. Now I'm going in with Queen of Blades. Now I'm just going to blend all of that together. Let me get a bigger, fluffier brush. I'm going to go into Firefly. Oh, wow. And I'm just going to marry that over the top of 7 of 9. Oh, Angelica, this is such a beautiful palette. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so glad I was under the covers at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time ordering this. Astro for the outer corner. Come in, let you see that. I'm loving that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to get a small little packer brush for underneath. And I'm going to go underneath with Rock Hopper, which is a purple shade. And Queen of Blades. Then I'm going to smoke this out, because I don't want it looking harsh. Just with some of the 7 of 9, a little bit of Queen of Blades. My Prophecy highlighter. I just need some liner, lashes, and to finish up the other eye. I'll be right back with my final look, and we'll talk about the palette. I am back, and this is my final look. I hope that you have enjoyed the video for today, and I hope that you like this final look. I'm liking it. I just really, really like and enjoy the Kaleidos formula as far as their highlighters and their eyeshadow formula across all textures. I really, really like their brand. So you'll have to let me know what you think about the look down in the comments. Did you pick up this palette? I am loving it. Let me know what you think about it. If you did, I love their Tone Activator Primer. If you order from Kaleidos, pick one up. It's not expensive, guys. Try it. Let me know how you like that. I think it is one of the best on the market. So yeah, let me know how you're liking your Club Nebula palette if you picked it up down in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. I hope that you're having a great day wherever you are. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel and you'd like to, it's really easy. All you got to do is click on the big red subscribe button down below. See you next time, guys. Bye till then.